Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Rite Ultra Clear Frameless Mask. So this is a frameless mask, as the name suggests, and the tempered glass lens on the front is made out of ultra clear glass. So what that basically means is that it has fewer impurities. If you go to a store and it's got like glass tables, you look at the edge of the glass, you notice that it has that kind of greenish tinge. So that's impurities in the glass that's kind of interact with light in a certain way, and that gives it that sort of greenish color. With ultra clear, you don't get that green tinge. Obviously, you can't see the edge through this because the skirt is molded directly to it. That's what makes it frameless. It doesn't have a big bulky frame. The skirt is bonded directly onto the glass. But because it has fewer impurities, it allows a greater amount of light transfer. So when you're in the water, what you're seeing is more realistic to what is actually going on. So the silicone skirt is a very nice sort of soft, sort of tactile silicone. It's got a matte finish to it, and it has a very nice finish to it, especially on the back of the strap as well. They sort of finished that very nicely. Everything about this has a real nice sort of feel to it. I really do sort of like this mask. So single lens means you get plenty of light. You've got lots of space up above your nose as well. Because it's frameless, it's also quite low volume on the inside, so you don't have to equalize it quite as much. And by bringing the lenses that little bit closer to your eyes, it actually widens the field of vision, so you can see a greater scene whilst you're in the water. So big nose pocket on this, and that's really easy to access. You can equalize nice and easy. The mask buckle is attached directly onto the skirt, so that means that one, it can fold really down sort of flat, so you can pack it down easy, or you can store it in a pocket. And it also means that that mask strap can kind of change the angle that it comes in and that is attached to the back of your head without distorting the shape of the mask skirt too much. So you get better sort of flexibility. Now it's got a micro adjustment ratchet strap, so one way, kind of pull it to tighten it, and that sort of shortens the strap. Push on the Rite logo, and that sort of opens up that hinge so you can lengthen it off. So that's a really easy sort of action, very quick and easy, even if you're wearing sort of chunky gloves. Now the mousetrap itself has sort of two sections to it, so that's going to wrap around the back of your head even if you're wearing a hood. That's going to hold on really nice and tight and sort of stop that from slipping around. And this is all sort of silicone, so it's nice and hypoallergenic. On the inside, we have a really wide double skirt. So we have this sort of external skirt that seals against your face, and then this internal skirt that creates a really wide sealing area. So all of this is sealing against your face, creating a very wide seal that traps the air inside and stops the water from getting in. Just a small little section just underneath your nose that sort of seals against your top lip. And then inside, yeah, it's quite low volume, so you don't have to equalize it, and you're not going to get quite as much squeeze as you would a big bulky framed mask. So all in all, very smart. I do like this. This is the Rite Ultra Clear Frameless Mask. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.